Hello, everyone. This week I'll be talking about the monocyclic disease cycle of barley yellow dwarf virus. It affects many different types of plants, such as wheat, oats, barley, grasses, and more. The virus first either survives in aphid vectors or in volunteer plants. The primary inoculum is the virus particles or virions. They have a hexagonal structure and are made up of two proteins that enclose single-strand positive sense RNA. Aphids are the main dispersal mechanism of this disease as they feed on infected plants. Many different species of aphids can be vectors for this virus, such as oatbird cherry aphids, cornleaf aphids, and English grain aphids. As mentioned in the references, different aphid species can also carry different strains of this virus and can have varying ability to cause outbreaks. For example, non-winged aphids will mostly affect plants in a smaller area, while winged aphids can travel greater distances and therefore can infect plants in a much larger area. This disease is also most severe in the spring, when most aphids are overwintering in grasses and crops. With this in mind, managing the aphid population is a big way to lower the severity of this disease. The infection core is the phloem of the host. As the aphid feeds on the phloem, it transfers the virus along with its saliva, allowing the virus to move throughout the plant. Symptoms develop a few weeks after infection and include discoloration and stunting of the host, which are often misattributed to nutrient deficiencies. Water-soaked areas will become discolored, with spots red, orange, purple in oats, yellow-red in wheat, and bright yellow in barley, with this discoloration usually most noticeable on older leaves. Stunting is also caused by lower internode length of the plants, and root growth can also be diminished as well, leading to a lower yield of infected crops, up to 20% and sometimes with the whole field lost. The virus replicates inside the plant and makes new virions, which can then be collected again by aphids as they feed on the plant or remain in the plants to overwinter, completing the cycle. I attached my references below. Thank you so very much for listening.